Hi, welcome to Lightspeed Academy. I'm Jim Cooper, and thanks for joining me for this 90-second Lightspeed session on what is React. If you're watching this video, you may already know that React is a JavaScript development framework for building web applications, specifically for building the front end of an application or the part the user interacts with. When working with React, you're creating a series of components that are responsible for rendering the different parts of a page. For example, in this application, these products are rendered from a single product component, which defines all of the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript required to correctly display a single product. And all of these product components are contained inside another parent product listing component. And the product listing component is contained inside a parent outpost component. This nested component architecture is common for most front-end frameworks. But unlike most frameworks, which embrace a separation of HTML and JavaScript in their components, React embraces inline HTML right in your JavaScript using a syntax called JSX. For example, this is our product React component. Notice that this is just a function that you export. It could also be a class if you prefer. And you can see that there is JavaScript here, and there's HTML right here in the middle of our JavaScript. This is JSX, which blends HTML and JavaScript into a single new syntax. And of course, you can use loops too, like we're using right here in our product listing component, where we're looping over our list of products using map here. And for each product, we're rendering a product component. Once you have created a custom component, you can render it inside any other component by importing it and using it like you would any other HTML tag. And you can pass data and functions to your components using HTML attributes just like this. These are called props. You can access these props inside your components like this. This was a super fast intro to what React is. There is a ton more to learn about React. If you want to keep learning, here's the next video you'll want to watch. And here is the entire Lightspeed React playlist. And of course, please like and subscribe if you liked this video and if you'd like to see the other content we're putting together, including some great in-depth training. Thanks, and keep learning at Lightspeed.